What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick DIY with some whipped shea butter and some aloe vera juice. So shea butter has a lot of benefits for our hair. It helps with maintaining healthy hair growth. It also helps to promote hair growth and it reduces breakage. It gives your hair a lot of shine, and also it works on any type of hair, whether your hair is damaged, dry or color treated. It's good for you to use on your hair. I'm going to be using 1 heaping spoon of shea butter. I'm not going to be making a lot because I don't have a preservative. I'm going to just make a small batch just to last me for about 1 week. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of rosemary oil, olive oil. I'm going to be using 2 to 3 drops of glycerine, tea tree oil and peppermint oil. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of castor oil. You can use whatever castor oil that you have. So now that I've placed all the ingredients into my measuring cup, I am going to let it sit in a bowl of hot water until all the oils and the shea butter has completely dissolved and combined, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. So I left the oils to cool for a little while, and now I'm going to add the aloe vera juice. This is about half of an aloe vera leaf. I'm going to place it in the fridge for 45 minutes to 1 hour so that it can thicken up, and I'm going to whip it and show you guys the end result. Make sure that you get a Ziploc bag that you can use to transfer it into your container. I'm going to be using a sterilized glass bottle. Also guys, one tip, make sure that you use a large bag, whatever type of bag you have. Don't use a little bag like me because you're gonna make a mess. Guys, these are my final results of my shea butter and aloe vera juice hair cream, and I'm also gonna be using this on my skin as well because I know that it's gonna make my skin feel really nice and soft. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and I hope that you give this a try, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.